Hi there again. This is TeacherMask and I'm going to teach you the basic dance steps of Cha-Cha-Cha. Are you ready? Cha-Cha-Cha is one of the 5 main Latin ballroom dances most frequently taught in dances schools around the world. The steps are very compact and based partly on the rumba and mambo. So are you ready? Firstly, you're going to prepare your body, especially your weight and your feet. So all you have to do is to prepare your feet in the basic dance steps. First, we are going to step our right foot forward and followed by the left foot. Remember, this movement will be based on how you coordinate. So step your right foot backward.
Get ready for your left foot. Step your left foot forward or in place and be ready to step your right foot forward. As you step your right foot, step your left foot closer to your right and then you step your right foot again and step again with your left foot near to your right foot. So let's do it again. Step backward, step in place, step, close, step. That is a basic cha-cha-cha. Next, we will continue with the next steps. So be ready. Let's do it. Step backward, then change your weight to left, then step forward, close, step forward again with your right foot. Ready? Ready? And 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Okay, that's it. So this right foot is our last step. So we are going to continue with the cha-cha-cha steps. Are you ready? Forward your step left foot and then prepare your right backward. Then close again with your left foot. That's it. Now this time, let's do it with the proper mechanics. So let's start with the left foot forward, step back with your right, and then step with your left foot backward and close with your right and step again with your left foot. That's it. The simple, basic cha-cha-cha steps. So let's do it again with the left foot forward, step with your right foot in place, step backward with your left, close with your right and step again with your left foot backward. So that's it. Ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, and step, close, step. That's it. It's a basic cha-cha-cha. So let's do it with both feet. Ready? Right back, step, step, close, step, and forward and step, close, step. Backward and step, close, step, forward, left, back, step, close, step, backward, right, step, close, step, continue, forward, left, backward, right, step, close, step, backward and forward, close, forward and back and close. That's it. Now let's do it with the side view. So get ready. This is for your sagittal view. Ready? Let's start with the right foot backward. Step in place, then step your right foot forward, close, close, and step. Forward again with the right, left, then back with your left. Backward right, and step, close, step, forward left, and step, close, step, and backward right, and step, close, step, and forward, and step, close, step. That's it. That's a continuation of cha-cha-cha, and this is for the beginners with the basic dance steps. So are you ready? Okay, let's do it front and back and forth. Let's proceed to our next step. Are you ready? So this time we will have the continuation of our cha-cha-cha steps. So let's do it. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, and slowly forward and turn. Then step your left foot forward, then cha-cha-cha sideward close. So this is a basic cha-cha-cha with a close. Ready? Again. Ready? 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, step, turn, cha-cha-cha, and that's it. So we have a 1-turn cha-cha-cha basic steps. So let's do it again. Back, forward, step, close step, and step, turn. Then step your right foot left and backward side to stop the basic steps. So that's it. 1, 2, 1 and 2, and step, turn, cha-cha-cha, and ready for your back move. So let's do it with a side view. Ready? And go. So you have to align your body with your feet. Backward and right close step, forward turn, side step, and that's it. So let's do it again. Back, step, close step, forward turn, and side close, and that's it with the turn. Cha-cha-cha. Back, cha-cha-cha, and forward turn, cha-cha-cha, and that's it. So are you ready to combine all the 2 basic dance steps? So let's do it with forward, basic, and then the turn, and then the left. Now this time we have the third part of our basic dance cha-cha-cha. So all we have to do is the side cha-cha-cha instead of forward. So cross your legs, right over left, then step your left foot, then step your right foot close with your left, step, close step, forward with the opposite side, step, close step again. That's it. A simple cross, back, step, close step, cross, back, step, close step. This is a side cha-cha-cha. Step, cross, side, close, side, step, cross, side, close, side. Okay, so let's do it again. Ready? With the arms like this, so open, and then like your legs, you have to cross your arms in front of your body with 1, 2, side and side, 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 1, 2, step, close step, 1, 2, step, close step, and 1, 2, step, close step, 1, 2, step, close step, 1, 2, again. Enjoy the dance steps. Okay, so that's it. So we have the right and left with our arms. So there are 3 basic dance steps with cha-cha-cha steps. So we have side, then back, chasse, and side, step again, and step, close step, side, step your left, right, prepare your left side, right, left, right, and so that's it. We have the side cha-cha-cha. So 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, and 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. This is only for basic dance steps, so you can have free movement of the arms like open fan or side, like left and swing, and from the down to up, or a simple this side swing of the arms. So you can enjoy these basic dance steps. So thank you for this day. Have a nice day again.